Here's Jaylee. Walking Fuente to the barn. Pull her hard. Pull hard. Say, come on, girl. Pull her hard. Now walk towards the barn. Oh, goodness. Okay, now go. Walk to the barn. Good job. You're leading a great big horse. You are such a good horsewoman. Shake your rope if she gets too close. Oh, excellent job. Excellent job, Jaylee. I think you need to have your daddy buy you a pony. Don't you? No? No? You want him to? He said no? Well, he had a pony when he was little. Why don't you ask him about that? Say, how come you get a pony, Dad, and I don't?